Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming your Vivo supports dual SIM. Some models limit 5G to one slot, so check now. Power the phone off, use the eject pin, and place each nano SIM into its correct tray position. This prevents misalignment and SIM errors. Once done, boot the device and unlock it. You will see two signal bars or SIM icons in the status bar. Make sure both register before changing settings, because registration confirms physical and network readiness. Now go into Settings, then SIM cards and mobile networks, where you can name each SIM and set priorities. You should assign one default SIM for calls and SMS, and choose which SIM handles mobile data. This prevents unexpected charges. Once set, select network mode per SIM, LTE or 3G, so the phone negotiates properly with carriers. If mobile data fails on one SIM, make sure the APN is correct. Updating APN often fixes service issues without more invasive steps. To finish, test each SIM by calling, sending an SMS, and using mobile data. This verifies settings took effect. If you experience conflicts, restart the phone. This forces network re-registration. Once done, make small adjustments like toggling airplane mode or swapping default SIMs for calls to isolate the problem. If issues persist, update or reset the APN for that SIM. As a last resort, reinsert SIMs or perform a network settings reset. Doing so usually resolves lingering registration or connection errors without wiping personal data.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.